In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use variable fonts in Webflow. Variable fonts are a powerful way to add more flexibility to your typography. Instead of uploading multiple separate font files for different weights or styles, a single variable font can include a range of design options like weight, width, slant, or optical size. That means you get more control over how your text looks while keeping your workflow more streamlined inside Webflow. To get started, first upload the variable font to your project. Webflow supports variable fonts in TTF, OTF, WAF, and WAF2 formats, so make sure your font file is in one of those supported types. From your Webflow dashboard, open the project where you want to use the font. Then head to the Site Settings in the top left area and go to the Fonts tab. Once you're in the Fonts section, look for Custom Fonts and click Upload. Select your variable font file from your computer, such as a WAF2 file, which is often a great choice for web use because it is compressed and efficient. After the file is uploaded, choose a fallback font as well. This is important because if the custom font ever fails to load for any reason, the fallback font helps ensure your text still displays properly. When that's done, save your changes so the font becomes available in the project. Next, return to the designer and apply the font to a text element. Click on any text element you want to style, such as a heading, paragraph, or other text block. Then open the Style panel on the right side and scroll down to the Typography section. In the Font drop-down, you should now see your uploaded font listed under Custom Fonts. Select it to apply the variable font to the chosen text. Now comes the part that makes variable fonts especially useful: customizing the font variations. With the text element still selected, stay in the Typography section of the Style panel. Near the Font Weight options, look for the Variations setting field. Click it to open the font variation controls. Inside that menu, you will see sliders for the axes available in that specific font. Depending on the font, these may include settings like weight, width, slant, or optical size. You can drag the sliders to preview changes visually and fine-tune the appearance of the text in real time. If you need more precision, you can also type values indirectly. This gives you very detailed control and helps you match the typography more closely to your design goals. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.